So the next concept that I'm going to explain is adding a column in a data frame. So let me just comment this out. Let me just print the result. Okay, now. So the first method of adding a column is using the assign method. So df equals to df dot assign. Then I'm going to provide the name of column. Name of column is annual salary underscore annual salary. So I have total five columns. I'm going to add another column which is annual salary equals to, I will use the lambda function for it, lambda x colon x dot, which I'm going to use this column x dot salary multiply by 12. So this is going to give me the annual salary. Okay, look, annual salary. So let's say I want another column. So I'm going to comma annual salary underscore text equals to lambda x colon x dot salary annual salary. So annual salary multiply by 10 divided by 100. So 10% of annual salary. So I want two columns, annual salary and annual salary text, which is going to give me the value 10% of annual salary. Now I have to print the result. So this is going to give me the result like this. Okay, two columns. Okay, now what I want, so there is another way of doing the same thing. So let me just comment this out. So df, then the column name will be annual salary equals to, so this is going to be the name of my column, equals to df name of column, which is salary. I'm using the existing column, multiply by 12. Now df equals to, let me just copy paste this. So annual salary, okay, annual salary, let me just copy paste this, df annual salary multiply by 10 divided by 100. Now two columns will be added. There is a mistake. Salary is not defined. Okay, executed. Look, annual salary and annual salary text. So this is another method of adding a column. Now next, what I'm going to explain is adding a column in a particular location. Let's say I want to add a column after employee ID. So how I'm going to do it? I'm going to use the insert method. So let me just comment this out. df dot insert. First of all, I'm going to provide the location. So I'm going to provide the first location. So this is my 0th location. This is my first location. So it means that it will add a column after employee ID. Then the name of column which I want to add. So I want annual salary, and the operation I want to perform df salary annual salary into 12. Okay, now df, look, annual salary. after 2. Annual salary tax. This is going to be annual salary tax, and this is going to be annual salary. I want 10% of annual salary. So let me just, okay, df. Okay, look, annual salary tax. Let me just add the column in third location. Okay, first, second, annual salary. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and third. So this is going to be the third location where this column will be added. So let me just give you another example. Okay, the annual salary is at third location. I want another column called country, and I want to place a constant value. Like, for example, I want only one value in that country column. So it has to be, column name is country, it has to be USA. So I want only single value in it. So I'm going to write it like this. Location is 4th, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In between, annual salary in age. So this is going to print like this. Country, all values are USA. Now, next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you another example. So I'm going to define a column called status. So this is how you define a column. Name is status, and based on this salary column value, I'm going to give a status. For example, if salary column value less than 40,000, it has to be a low salary. Okay, let me just explain it. So for that, I'm going to include a library called numpy. So I have to use the import keyword, then the name of library numpy, as numpy underscore lib is the alias name. Okay, I'm going to use this equals to, for that I will use the where clause. Where, so basically it's a case statement. You must have used a case statement in SQL. It's exactly the same. Okay, dot where clause is going to do the same. Now df name of column, which is salary. I want to use this column, salary column. Where is the salary column? This. If salary value less than 50,000, it has to be a low salary. Status value will be low salary. Okay, comma, just copy paste here. If salary greater than 80,000, it has to be high salary. Otherwise, it will be categorized as a medium salary. Let me just print the result. Look, low salary. If salary is less than 50,000, it is low salary. If it is between 80 and 50,000, it will be categorized as a medium salary. And if it is greater than 80,000, it will be categorized as a high salary. So this is how you implement the case statement in Python DataFrame.